Welcome back, traders. If you missed this 3 setup, this 1:31, and then this is 1:28, and also this one is 1:13. If you missed this 3 setup, watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be doing the breakdown analysis of how this setup came up using my trading strategy. So next time, if you see a setup like this, you won't miss the trade. You know how to get into the market. Even though this particular first trade right here, which is a 1:31, I missed this particular trade by myself, but I was able to find out what made me to miss this particular trade. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you also how to get all this trade by yourself next time I made this particular first trade. I won't lie about that. So let's just go into the video right now. I'm going to show you how to see this setup using my strategy. You guys know that the only strategy I'm using right now is just like order block. How to identify a real order block in the market, and also how to go down to lower time frame. After 2 years of trading, I was able to find out how to identify a real order block in the market. So we have 4 different ways on how to identify a real order block in the market. So I end up giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page, and also the 2 that I'm giving out for free, you can use it, you can be profitable with it. So I'm going to give you the 2 right now. So the first is if price right here, your price go what's on a bullish direction, creating higher high, then higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low. So if price end up breaking 2 level like this. So if price end up breaking too low, let's assume that price end up breaking this low right here. So this is the first low, and also this is the second low right here. There's the second low. So the order block that is responsible for this particular break is what a real order block. So price return back to this particular order block. The order block can be here, it can be anywhere. The order block is just like the last bullish candle in between when price was coming all the way down. The last bullish candle, it can be here, sometimes it can be in the extreme high right here. So you are going to use this particular order block as what's your entry. So this is what a real order block in the market. This how to identify a real order block. This is the first way. So price will start coming all the way down. Then the second way is just let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this entry. Okay, so the second is just if price end up breaking only one low, and then price go what's on a bullish direction and refuse to break this particular high, maybe the price stop in this particular area right here, the price come all the way down to break this second low. So this is going to be the second order block right here. So the real order block is going to be above this particular high, so price is going to use this particular area just to sell the market. So your order block is going to be the order block above this particular moment. And the reason just because there are a lot of traders using supply and demand. They don't really know the real supply zone that price is going to respect in the market, and then the one that price won't respect. So they will end up using every single demand zone in the market or supply zone, and at the end of the day, price will end up stopping them out. So right here, let's assume that somebody trading the supply zone just says entry right here. So price is going to stop him out, and then immediately start going to his direction. That is the reason why some traders are saying price stop me out and then end up going to my direction, because they don't know how to find out a real order block in the market. But with this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways on how to find out a real order block in the market, even though it's 4 different ways, you understand? So I end up giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page, and then the remaining 2 I'm giving out for my students, you understand? So that's just for that. But with the 2, you can also be profitable with the 2. I have a lot of people trading my strategy right now that are profitable with the 2 way on how to identify a real order block. So this just like the 2 way on how to identify a real order block right now. So let's just go into the video. Okay, if you are watching this video for the first time, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you need to watch my other videos so you can understand my trading strategy. So let me delete all this line. Okay, let me delete this line too. So these are the 3 setups that happened this week, and then I was anticipating for what a bearish trade. A bearish trade. In my previous video, I talked about it when I was doing forecast that I'm expecting 70% bearish on this week, of which price end up get a 3 bearish trade. That is most important, that some traders even miss it. I made this first one by myself, but I'm going to let me show you how this setup came out. So let's just start from this last one. Yes, so from this last one, I'll move on to this one, then I'll end the video using this particular area right here. So let's start from this particular area. Okay, let me start the analysis from the beginning. So I was expecting price to break out this particular low. If you go down to daily time frame, let's check daily time frame 1D. The first thing you have to do when you're trading my strategy is you understanding your higher time frame. Where price is going to on higher time frame is very, very important. where price is going to on higher time frame, get to your buyers on higher time frame. So on daily time frame right now, I was able to see this particular low right here. From this low to this particular high, did not break anything at the far left side. Let me delete this line. So price did not break anything at the far left side. So price is going to take out this particular low as a liquidity, and they probably tap into this particular order block right here. I mean this order block right here, this last bearish candle, then before go what's on a bullish direction, and then go above this particular high. So I know that price is coming all the way to this particular area, just like to take out this particular low as a liquidity. So you have to find a way just like to get into the market. So from daily time frame, I was able to like to go down to 4-hour time frame. Sorry, that is 4 minutes, 4-hour time frame. So I was able to like to go down to 4-hour time frame. Then I saw this particular setup right here, this particular low. I mean this low right here, this low right here. Let me delete this. I'll get this back. So I'll come back to this particular area. So I was able to see this particular low, and then if you check the markets very well, which order block ended up breaking this particular low? This is the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle that broke only one low. So price not going to respect the high, just like the same way that the second way on outside it's a real order block, markets end up breaking only one low. So price go above it to respect the order block above it. The second way on outside it's order block that I draw earlier. So that is just for that. So price end up breaking this particular low right here. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to go above it and then respect the order block right here. Order block right here. And then from here you can go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry. So I'm still going to do that, but I just want to like to talk about here. So from here I'll move down to this particular trade, and then from this trade I'll move down to the last one, the first trade. So let me just delete this right here. Okay, now that I know that price is going to respect this particular order block, the one above this particular bullish candle, then and start to come all the way down to go below this particular low. So let's assume that I missed this particular first trade right here. Let's assume that I missed the particular first trade. So I'm finding a place just like to enter into the market. So I'm finding a place just like to enter into the market. What I'm going to do is just like I'll go down to lower time frame just like to study this particular movement. So we are on 4-hour time frame. You can check on 3-hour time frame. So 3-hour time frame price come all the way down. My focus is just like me studying this particular bullish trade from this particular low right here to this particular high, right here. So that's what I want to study, just for me to find my strategy. So I'm going to study from this particular low to this particular high. So this 3-hour time frame, let's move down to 2-hour time frame. This 2 minutes, sorry, my bad. 2-hour time frame. Okay, can you see? I just want to study from this particular low. When price go what on a bullish direction in this particular place, I know that price is going what on a bearish direction. So I'm studying the movement when price is going on a bullish direction. And then if you study the market very well, price is here to give 100% movement of this particular movement. What I mean by 100% movement, like when price was coming all the way down to break this particular low, this is where price go to and then start going what on a bullish direction. So price have to give 100% movement and then get to this particular low right here, this low right here. So price have to get to this particular low, and the price is here to get to this particular low. So I have to study this particular bullish trade just for me to find entry. So let me delete this. Okay, this 2-hour time frame, let me check 1-hour time frame. Okay, the bullish candle is just like the same thing. I'm here to see opposite candle in between. So let me check on 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes from this particular low to this particular high is just what? A bullish candle. Can you see? A bullish trade. A bullish trade. So I'm looking for opposite candle inside this particular movement right here. I'm looking for what opposite candle. So all the candle from this particular low to this particular high is what a bullish candle. So I'm looking for a bearish candle inside this particular movement. That is the reason why I'm going down to lower time frame. So you check on 15 minutes time frame. Or 15 minutes time frame right now, we have only one. Okay, we have, yeah, I think we have two. So we have two, but I want to study this particular moment so I can get into the market very well. So I have to like to reduce what my range to this particular area from this low to this particular high. So this is the area that I want to study right now, just for me to find out a real order block in the market. So from 15 minutes I move down to like a 5 minutes time frame. So this 5 minutes time frame right now. So on 5 minutes time frame I was able to like to see my strategy. So my strategy play out right here. So price end up breaking this particular low. Let me delete this. Price end up breaking this last bearish candle. Can you see we have opposite candle right now? So we have 2. Price end up breaking this particular opposite candle right here. So this is one, and then this is the second one right here. Can you see? This is the second one, making this particular order block right here. Let me delete this order block, I will get it back. Making this particular order block right here a real order block. Can you see? Because this particular bearish movement end up breaking like too low. Don't forget on the first way on how to identify a real order block. If you are just watching my video for the first time, you need to watch my other videos for you to understand what I'm doing right here. So this is just like the first way on how to identify a real order block in the market. Price end up breaking too low. This is the first low, and then this is the second low right here. So I'm going to like to study this particular moment right now, and then I'm going to use it to go down to lower time frame, just like to find exactly that price is going to, because this particular order block right here is a very big order block. It's a very big order block. I can't enter into this particular trade right now because the order block is very big for me, so I have to go down to lower time frame so I can increase what my risk to reward ratio. So this 5 minutes time frame, we can go down to like 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 3 minutes time frame right now, we have to analyze the market all over again. So it's still the same moment that end up breaking this particular low. Can you see right here? This particular low, and then this low. So this is the order block on 3 minutes time frame. So let me reduce it. And the one thing about how to identify a real order block in the market, you can't increase the order block like this, you can only reduce it inward. And then for this particular part, you can't increase it like this, you can only reduce it inward. You understand? So this is what our 3 minutes order block. Price end up breaking this particular low and also this particular low right here. So making this particular order block right here a real order block, that price goes to like to tap into, and then to start going what on the bearish direction. So we are able to see this on 3 minutes. Let's check on 2 minutes time frame. So on 2 minutes time frame right now, we have to analyze the market all over again. Let me just check the place. Okay, this is the place right now. So on 2 minutes time frame, it's still the same movement that end up breaking this particular low and also this low. So we are going to reduce what our order block to match this particular order block right here. Can you see? This is the last bullish candle. Can you see? This is the last bullish candle that end up breaking this two low. This is the first low, and then this is the second low. So we are on 2 minutes time frame right now, so we can go down to 1 minute time frame to know exactly the price is going to respect. So let's check our 1 minute time frame. Okay, so on 1 minute time frame right now, we have to analyze the market all over again, and then there's not enough information for us to know which order block that price is going to respect. So it's advisable for you to leave your chart like this, just like for you to make use of 2 minutes time frame, because we don't have enough information right here. Because from this particular low to this particular high, where this bullish candle start from, there's no bearish candle in between that we can judge the market with. So we are going to leave the chart right now. I know some people are going to like to reduce what the order block to match this particular order block right here, even though price come all the way back to tap into it. But it's not every single time that price is going to come back to this particular area just like to tap into what your order block, because price not telling you that this is the real order block in the market. So it's really advisable for you to like to end up in the time frame that is telling you the real order block, which is on 2 minutes time frame. So I'm going to like to make use of 2 minutes time frame. So 2 minutes time frame is very clear. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, I think this is the place. All right, so this 2 minutes time frame order block. So you set towards your entry using this particular area. You draw out your last bullish candle. So your entry is going to be here. Okay, you set your entry, and then you set towards your stop loss above here. So we set our take profits using 4-hour time frame. So let's check our 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame right now, so we can see our trade right now. So this is where we want to set what our take profit, and then we can see our trade. So I have to go down to our time frame just like to expand the trade. Okay, this is it. So I have to expand this very well and then break it down. This is the take profit. This is where we expect the price to go below. So you set what your take profits right here. Okay, can you see this one ratio 13? Price has shifted a little bit. Okay, so this one ratio 13. Right now, this is how the first setup play out. But if you don't understand what I did right here, you can just start the video from the beginning and then to watch and learn. Just like for you to be patient with every single moment what I'm doing so you can learn from it. So this is the third entry. So let me discuss about the second entry right here that happened here. So let me go back to like a 4-hour time frame. Okay, the first thing you have to do is like you get to your buyers first. Always make sure you get your buyers where price is going to. The reason why price has to get your take profits, you have to know that before you enter into a trade. So get your buyers from higher time frame. So from higher time frame now you can be going down to lower time frame to find out a perfect entry so that you can increase what your risk to reward ratio. And then if you don't know how to go down to lower time frame very well, you can watch my other videos so that you can learn. And also you can join my next month mentorship right now so you can learn all these things and then to get more insight about my trade strategy, how to go down to lower time frame, how to increase your risk to reward ratio, how to scalp the market. So let me just talk about this particular second entry right here. So on 4-hour time frame, price end up breaking this particular low. You do another price gain was on the bearish direction. I've discussed about that on my good forecast. You can just watch the video out. I said price gain was on a 70% bearish and then 30% bullish. 70% and 30% bullish. So that is what actually happened. So if you study this particular movement right now on 4-hour time frame, price end up breaking this particular low. Can you see? Price end up breaking it, and then this is the last bullish candle that end up breaking it. So this is the order block right now according to the definition of order block, but this is not what a real order block. The order block above it is going to be the real order block because this particular moment end up breaking only one low. And then if you note, I'm not calling this one a low right here. This one is not a low. This one is not a low because it's under its own range. What I mean by under its own range, bearish range start from this particular high and then come all the way down to this particular low right here. Can you see? This is a bearish range and then this is a bullish range. So price out to break inside what a bullish range. I don't supposed to like to be discussing this, but I'm giving out also for free so you can learn from it. So this right here is not what a low. The only low that price end up breaking on the bullish range is this particular low right here. So let me delete this. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price going to respect the order block above it. So let me just expand this all right here. Okay, so price going to respect this particular order block, and then you can go down to lower time frame so that you can increase what your risk to reward ratio. If you have to enter into a trade using this particular order block, let's just check the ratio. You set what your stop loss here and then set your take profits right here. This is 1:4. I'm not the kind of trader that take a trade 1:4, 1:5. My smallest ratio in the market is like 1:10. Understand? If I end up seeing a trade that is not giving like 1:10, I'm not going to enter into the trade unless I'm scalping. So that's just for that. But this is a long-term trade. This is a long-term trade. You can see on 4-hour time frame, your trade out to give you more than 1:10. 1:10. So you have to go down to lower time frame right now, just like to find out a perfect order block inside this particular order block right now. So let me delete this. So we're on 4-hour time frame. You go down to like the next time frame, which is 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame, it remains the same thing. Then we check on 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame also, the order block remains the same thing. The only time we analyze the market is when we have 2 order block inside our order block. If you're able to find out 2 order block inside this particular order block, then you analyze the market. So we only have 1 order block on 2-hour time frame. So let's check our 1-hour time frame. So on 1-hour time frame right now, we have this particular order block right here. But you have to analyze the market. The price end up breaking too low. So the first low we have is this particular low right here. Price end up breaking this low. This is the first low. Then price not break any other low. So you are still going to leave your order block like this, the way it is. So you're not going to change anything. You're not going to do anything in the market. You're going to leave your order block like this. You're not going to like to increase what's your order block to this particular area, to reduce your order block to this particular area. Sorry, my bad. You're going to leave it the way it is. So you're going to leave your order block like this, and then you go down to the next lower time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame right now, you have to analyze the market all over again to see if this is what the reorder block. Okay, yeah, if this is a reorder block. So price end up breaking this particular low right here. There is the first low. All right, and then this is the second low right here. This opposite candle. Some traders are questioning me the reason why I'm using opposite candle as a low. I think one of my video I'll discuss about that, the reason why. So you can just check the video out. So price end up breaking to low. This is the first low right here, and then this is the second low. So making this particular order block right here a reorder block. so I can reduce this particular eye to fit in this eye right here. So this is what a reorder block now. And then if you check this particular bullish candle, this is the wick of the bullish candle, but we know that price is going to go above this particular eye, so there's not any point of us increasing it downward. And also we cannot even increase it downward at the first place, so you are going to leave it the way it is. You are going to leave it the way it is. So let me leave it this eye it is. So price is going to tap out this particular eye and then get into this particular order block to respect it, and then start coming all the way down. So from here now you can go down to lower time frame also to reduce what your order block. So let's check the next time frame, which is our 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so right now what actually happened right here is the fourth way on how to identify a reorder block, but I end up giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page. So I'm going to try to stop the analysis on 30 minutes time frame, because I only give out 2 for free. I'm sorry for that. The first stage, like when price end up breaking too low, so you make use of the order block responsible for it, or too high, so you make use of the order block responsible. Then the second stage, like when price end up breaking one low, so you use the order block above it. And then if price end up breaking one high, you use the order block below it. So these are the 2 free one I'm giving out for free on my YouTube page. But the third one and then the fourth one, because we have 4 different ways on how to identify a reorder block in the market, so is the fourth one that play out on 15 minutes time frame, but I don't really want to explain about it. That is the reason why I come back to like 30 minutes time frame. So you can join my mentorship, and then I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can check it out. I train my students on the 4 different ways on how to identify a reorder block in the market. It took me a lot of time for me to discover these 4 different ways on how to identify a reorder block. That is the reason why I'm just giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page, and then the remaining 2 I end up getting it for my students just for them to understand it. But the 2 way on how to identify a reorder block, you can also make use of it to make profit. A lot of traders are trading only the 2 way, and then they're making a lot of profits from that. But I don't want to give out the 4th way on how to identify a reorder block for free. That is the reason why I'm not analyzing this particular trade. I'm not going down to lower time frame anymore. But if you check out 1 minute, I think from 15 minutes, 5 minutes and 3 minutes is the 4th and the 3rd way on how to identify a reorder block in the market. But I think 1 minute time frame is the first way on how to identify order block in the market. So let me just go down to like 1 minute time frame. The trade already play out, so you just check it out by yourself. Okay, so this 1 minute time frame, I think the first one, no, okay, it's still under the 3rd one. But this particular moment, let me just talk a little bit about it. This particular moment for this particular eye, can you see you have what opposite candle in between right here? Can you see this opposite candle? The price come all the way down. This is the eye, so price not going to respect this particular eye. Price going to go above it. I'm just saying a little bit about it, but it's more than this. So this is where price going to respect. If you check it out, can you see price just tap into it from here? So from this particular area, price consolidates a little bit, and the price starts to come all the way down. So that's just for that. But let me just talk about the last one. So the last one is in between the first way on how to identify a reorder block and then the second one. So just bear with me and then watch this last one. You're going to understand the third one, the first one I did, and then this last one very well. But what happened right here, this second trade here, it's the third way and then fourth way on how to identify order block from 15 time frame downward. I don't really want to talk about it because I'm not giving that down for free on my YouTube page. But let me talk about the first trade that end up getting like a 1:31. So let me go back to 30 minutes time frame. So the first trade right here is in between the first way on how to identify a reorder block and then the second way that I end up getting out for free on my YouTube page. So just watch this video and then you understand it much better. So let's just analyze the markets together. Okay, so right now when price is being what's on a bullish direction, don't forget what I did right here. Study the movement. So when price was being what's on a bullish direction, I was studying the chart, and then I made this particular trade, but I was able to find out the reason why I made this particular trade. I was able to find it out. That is the reason why I'm doing this video right now, so you can learn from this. So when price is being what's on a bullish direction, price, you are just looking for a play that price from opposite candle, and then the first time frame that is showing this is just for 30 minutes time frame. So you have this particular low right here. There's the first low, and then we have this low, and then we have this low too. So you're going to study the market. If price end up breaking too low, then you make use of the order block. So right now on 30 minutes time frame, price end up breaking this particular low right here. So this is the first low. Can you see? and then this is the second low right here. So this is the first low, this is the second low. The reason why this one is the second low because of this bullish candle in between. So there are different low. So this is the candle that end up breaking this two low. Immediately price end up breaking this two low, price starts going on a bullish direction. This candle is supposed to end up in a bearish candle, but it's end up in a bullish candle. So it's still the one responsible for this particular to break. If you go down to like 15 minutes time frame, you see it very well. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, okay, let me show you guys. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, can you see this particular bearish candle? This is the bearish candle that end up breaking this particular low, this low, and also this low. On 15 minutes time frame, we are able to see a lot of low self was added. Okay, yeah, we have this low right here. This is the last bearish candle before this bullish candle. So we have a new low here, and then we have this low too. All these opposite candle, I classify them under low, they are lows. So it's difficult for price to break two low at the same time, and then I think I've explained the reason why on my YouTube page, so you can just check any of my video and then you get it there. So price end up breaking all these four low on a 15 minutes time frame. We have bullish candle in between. That is the reason why all these ones are low. We have bullish candle in between, we have bullish candle in between. That is the reason why all these ones are low. So this particular bearish candle end up breaking all these low on 15 minutes time frame. If you also like to find out the real order block, the real order block is the last bullish candle, and then this is the last bullish candle for price end up breaking all this particular low right here. So you're going to add this wick to it. Okay, so this is the bullish candle. So from 15 minutes time frame right now, you can go down to like our 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes time frame is the next time frame for us to check. So on 5 minutes time frame, you have to analyze the market all over again. Can you see all the low that I was talking about on a 15 minutes time frame? So I think it's more clearer right now. Can you see? This is the first low, the second low, then the third low, and also the fourth low, making this particular order block right here a real order block, because it is particular bearish movement that end up breaking all this low, and then this is the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle, which is the order block. So you're going to reduce the order block like this. Can you see? I'm going to reduce the order block like this. If you have any question concerning this, you can ask in the comment section. From 5 minutes time frame, you go down to the next lower time frame, which is our 3 minutes time frame. So on 3 minutes time frame right now, we have to analyze the market all over again. So on 3 minutes time frame, it's still the same moment. This is the bearish movement that end up breaking all this low right here. So this is the order block on 3 minutes time frame. So we are going to reduce the order block to size this particular last bullish candle. Can you see? Reduce it and then add this wick to it, because this is the last wick that price, this is the last high that price create before coming all the way down. If that this particular bullish candle is this side, is after this particular bearish candle, so I'm going to be using this only this bullish candle right here, but it's behind this particular bearish candle. So you're going to add the wick to it. So this is a 3 minutes time frame. Let's check 2 minutes. Let's check 2 minutes time frame. So on 2 minutes time frame right now, you're also going to try to reduce what our order block, because it's still the same moment that end up breaking all these lows. Can you see? It's still the same moment, and then this is the last bullish candle. Can you see now that this is the last bullish candle? It's more clearer now on 2 minutes time frame, because on 3 minutes time frame, you're already seeing a bearish wick. So now you're seeing a bullish candle right now. So this is the order block. So you're going to reduce the order block to size this particular order block right here, to size this 2 minutes order block. So from here, you can go down to like a 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame. Okay, I think there's the place. So this 1 minute time frame right now, we have to analyze the market all over again. So if you check out what end up breaking all this particular low is this particular bullish candle right here. Can you see? This particular bullish candle. But the rules, there are rules to trading my strategy. The rules are like this particular order block. We are able to find out this particular order block on 2 minutes time frame. I can't increase it lower. I can only reduce it. So right now on 2 minutes time frame, it's already in between this particular order block. So I can't reduce this one lower like this. No, I can only reduce it higher like this. And then for this particular side also, I can't increase it higher like this. I can only reduce it lower. So right now on 1 minute time frame, this is telling us that this is the real order block. But 2 minutes time frame is telling us that this is not a reorder block. If that this one is going to be a reorder block, then our order block is going to be like this. So if that our order block is like this, that is where we can reduce this particular order block to size this one right here as what a reorder block. But on 2 minutes time frame, it's telling us that price is in between this particular order block right now, and then we cannot reduce, and then we cannot increase our order block lower. We can only reduce it higher. Can you see? We can only reduce it higher. So right now you can just end up using this particular 2 minutes time frame entry. But if you have access to like 30 seconds or 15 seconds time frame, you're going to like to study this particular moment right here, from this particular low to this particular high, to find out every order block that price come back to retest, because price already in between this particular order block. If I have to enter into this trade, this is where I'm going to set what my entry. This is where my entry is going to be. This is where my entry is going to be. Can you see? Because this particular order block is in between. The full order block is not inside our 2 minutes order block. So sometimes it's advisable for you to like to use the time frame that is giving you the clear direction, the clear order block. So let's just go back to like 2 minutes time frame. So this is 2 minutes time frame right now. So you're going to like to reduce the order block, or to make use of 2 minutes time frame order block. So this is 2 minutes time frame order block. So if you end up setting what your entry from this particular area, then you can go back to like a 4 hour time frame just for you to set what your take profit. So that's just for that. So if you find this video interesting, I really appreciate you guys to like this video, and then if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. And also for you to join my mentorship program, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So join right now, join my next month mentorship. So see you guys in my next video.